Holy moly, that was really scary. Lamp is still shaking. Glasses fell out, but we put them back. Oh my gosh, that was terrifying. None of the medication fell. It was definitely safe. Stuff up here is safe. Jeep's okay. And I'm safe. And hopefully everyone is safe out there. Like it is. Like they are now. And the photo fell. We just had another massive earthquake. We had to put the candles on the floor while to get the table fixed. The table's fixed now. Our no longer lasting batteries are okay. We saved everything. Oh, that was scary. Railroad tracks are okay, but none of the trees fell from that earthquake. And hope the train is safe, because I see it coming. Oh, look at what that earthquake did in my office. Oh my gosh, look at all that.